Join us at COS, HKOS, COHK Academician Forum on the February 5th, 8:15 to 10 a.m. at Convention Hall for a focused morning of vision, innovation, and collaborations. The program will begin with an MOU signing ceremony between the Chinese Ophthalmological Society, the Hong Kong Ophthalmological Society, and the College of Ophthalmologists of Hong Kong. This is a historical moment for a landmark milestone regarding the deep collaboration in ophthalmology between Hong Kong SAR and mainland China. We will be deeply honored to have your presence to be our witness. After the opening remarks by chairs, we will have cutting-edge talks including academician Kwok Fai So on optic nerve regeneration, academician Xin Chun Fang on targeted therapy for thyroid eye disease, academician Zhen Lin Yang on the pathogenesis of familial exudative vitreoretinopathy, and academician Lin Li Wang on the new understanding of the dural pressure theory. Don't miss the opportunity to engage with the world-leading ophthalmic experts and spark collaborations that will shape the future of eye care.